Hi, this is Blair Pleasant. I'm in Las Vegas at the Microsoft Lync conference, and I'm with Shen of Unify2. So Alan, tell us about Unify2 and what you do.
Sure. Yeah, we're a UC specialization company that focuses on helping large enterprises make their transformation from their existing system to a full UC environment. We bring a range of products as well as support service and professional services.
So are you a vendor or a system integrator?
Yeah, all of the above. So we do system integration. We also help customers with custom applications. We even have some hosted service offerings to help customers manage their environment as well.
So what are you seeing out there in the Lync environment?
Well, really, I'd say, and primarily we work with a lot of the large enterprises. I'd say they fall into three big categories. One is just around scaling out. A lot of enterprises are at the point where they have a very large IM and presence deployment and maybe have some sort of pilot install base for conferencing and voice. But getting to the 500 user type pilot or 1,000 user pilot, to a point where they've scaled up to say 50,000 users has a lot of unique challenges that come with it around networking, trying to transform a number of different sites. And so that's one area. I'd say the second area is around user adoption. A lot of times enterprises think about transforming their back-end infrastructure without giving enough thought to how that will land with the end user and making sure they can transform with that back-end technology. So we like to help customers out with that user adoption piece.
How are you helping companies improve their user adoption?
Sure. So one of the offerings we have is an offering called Hypercare. And the idea is that when you need to transform a set of users, that initial period right after they've gone, say, from their existing telephone to their new telephone system with Lync is a very critical time. So we have a service offering where we come on site to an enterprise, do some training sessions with different users that are about to be transformed, and when that transformation happens, we're there to make sure that if anybody has any issues, we can address them from a user standpoint. There's also oftentimes very specialized users, for instance, bosses, admins, and receptionists, where they need some one-on-one training to make sure their specific workflows can be handled by Lync. And we also provide that as well.
And you also provide some products. So what kinds of products do you provide?
Sure, absolutely. So we really have, I would say, three key products. One of them is a hosted service offering called PowerMon. And this is basically a system that lives in the cloud that performs synthetic transactions into an enterprise environment. Just doing things like joining conferences, making PSTN calls, checking out their dialing conferencing. And it does this on an ongoing 24/7 basis. And it has two important outputs. If an issue is hit, that alert can go straight to the customer and notify them right before even they might get any notification. And the second thing we do is we aggregate all the results of those synthetic transactions to produce a availability report for the customer every week. So they can log onto a dashboard and see how their environment is behaving over the last month, 2 months, 3 months, that sort of thing.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Alan, and good luck to Unify2.
Yeah, thank you.